First, a little unboxing, of course. All right, look, the mystery deepens, but here we go. All right, as you can see, we got the 550B2. This is valued at $479. So, hey, man, I will take it. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. And hey, man, looking at this blister pack, man, this is going to be a breeze to put together. So if you stick around, we will not only unbox this pit, but we will put it together real quick. So basically, one person should be able to handle it. There's your simple installation instructions, or you could use the bigger manual. And of course, you get some freebies, and that's some nice looking stickers. And of course, those Z-Grill gloves are always a welcome sight. Basically, what you want to do here is flip the unit around onto that styrofoam. And nice move here by Z-Grill, as everything is labeled. Oh, that's a good move. Oh, man. Ain't nothing worse when you have to try to figure out parts. So look, the first step is going to be the legs, and remember, your bigger wheels, your farmhouse wheels, whatever you want to call them, are going to go to where the oil drip tray is, opposite the hopper. And basically, you're looking at 4 screws per leg, man, easy peasy. Oh man, that is easy. Oh, yeah. Now, once you get the 4 legs in, the next is the shelf. Again, 4 screws. And you could use the included screwdriver here. Now, I always like to hand start everything and finish it off with the either or on the screwdrivers. There you go, man. So easy. There you go. Now you might have to bend the legs in, kind of work the legs together to get that shelf in, but that ain't no big deal, trust me. And there you'll see it there. Just kind of move it over, no big deal. It's easy. So look, once you get the that shelf in, you've got the legs secured. Next thing up is you want to get that farmhouse wheel in with the big wheel. And basically all this is your wheels. You want the honeycomb facing in. You want the smooth surface out on the wheel. And it's 2 nuts. Oh man, you can't beat it. There you go. So look, once you get those wheels on, just grab it by the little handles up top there, flip it over, and move it into place. Oh yeah. And look, from there, what we're going to do is move to the front handle of note. These screws are already installed into the handle. Just unscrew them, put it in. I mean, believe it or not, we are more than halfway done. I'd have to say Z-Grills, and I've put together from Masterbuilts, Char Grillers, Pit Bosses, Webers, I mean, you name it, Rectex. I've put them all together, and Z-Grills is definitely one of the easiest. Now here you can use the included wrench to work quite nicely to tighten them up a little bit, of course, and there you go. From there, we are going to move to the stack. This is your normal stack. You'll have that cloth washer. Just get that lined up, and you'll have a hey man, you'll have a washer, a screw, and a nut. Oh yeah, that's it. There you go. And now look, you're going to use your 2 included wrenches because you want that sealed up nice and tight. There you go. Guys, we are going to move inside the pit to the fire pot. Just put that little shield over. There you go. And from there, there's your heat distribution with the nice oil grooves there. That'll help slide the oil to its proper places, or I should say grease. That is a nice move by Z Grills. Get your racks in, and believe it or not, this sucker is put together, man. Oh, man. So look, guys, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you get notified every time the channel does a future upload. It is greatly, greatly appreciated. Now, look, let's take this.